Okay, this is a 2018 GMC Sierra Denali. I guess they call it the Denali package. 2018. We end up installing a shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. He already has remote start from factory, so you know, we just end up incorporating the shock sensor to it. That way he doesn't have to carry another clicker around, keep everything factory. So if anybody walks up and they try to bust out the handle, or they try to break the window, the alarm will fire off. It gives you the countdown, and then it's going to fire off. I'm going to go ahead and shut it up by hitting unlock on the remote control. I'm going to go ahead and rearm it again. Of course, if any of the doors are open, that's factory, that will fire off. What happens is, in these factory alarm systems, they don't really give you any type of shock sensor or anything. They only give you the hood, and in case somebody opens any of the doors, it will fire off the alarm. So the shock sensor is a way to go to keep everything factory. And again, if somebody tries to leave the car in full brakes and they try to bust out those lug nut locks, the alarm will trigger. I'm going to go ahead and shut off the alarm. Basically, that's it. This is the shock sensor add-on in this 2018